At Sukut Construction, safety is more than a requirement. It is part of who we are. It is built into every project, every conversation, and every decision we make. Our mission is building excellence in people and projects, and that commitment begins with protecting the people behind the work. Safety is the foundation that allows our teams, projects, and company to succeed together. This May, our crews came together across our job sites for Safety Week, centered around the theme, Think Safe, Work Safe, Home Safe. Throughout the week, employees participated in safety meetings, job site discussions, and team conversations focused on strengthening awareness, accountability, communication, and teamwork in the field. This year's Safety Week focused on mental health, leading by example, mentoring, and the 4 Ds, identifying what is dumb, dangerous, difficult, or different before work begins. By slowing down, speaking up, and looking out for one another, our teams help prevent incidents before they happen and create safer job sites for everyone. Safety Week also reinforced an important reminder: every person on a project can make a difference. Safety depends on all of us working together and having the confidence to speak up when something does not feel right. Experienced team members spent time mentoring younger employees, sharing lessons learned, and reinforcing the importance of preparation, communication, and leading by example. At Sukut, we are committed to building a culture where employees feel supported, valued, and empowered to protect themselves and the people around them. Because at the end of the day, the goal is simple: making sure every employee returns home safely to the people who matter most. Together, we continue building a stronger and safer future.